Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Leonardo.AI. So Leonardo.AI is a generative AI image tool where you can create images, graphic designs, logos, profile images using the power of AI. So in order to sign up, you're going to go to Leonardo.AI, and this is what their homepage is going to look like. So you have multiple ways to actually sign up. You can either click on Launch App or Get Started. But even so, you can even browse around as far as learning who Leonardo AI is for. But if we go and click on Launch App, we're going to be taken to this login page here. So with Leonardo AI, you can sign up using your Apple account, your Google account, or your Microsoft account, or you can sign up using just a simple email and password. Either way, that is going to allow you to sign up for Leonardo AI on their free plan. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign up for Leonardo AI. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.